Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to draw a hand in an expression sort of like that from that particular angle. So sort of a contorted expression, and it just helps to uh, give a little more perspective into putting down hands in different illustrations, and it helps to get a better semblance of the anatomy. So we'll just put down a vertical base first because our wrist is coming right up there. We'll put in we conventionally do it with a bell shape, so we'll put in a bell shape right there. So that is really the palm, the fleshy part of the hands, and of course the fingers will be going here. And the thumb, in this case the thumb will be coming around here somewhere. So we will first start off here at the bottom, go to the side, bring this in this much, but we should determine that there's like one part, then there's the other part right there. So we are streamlining features as we're going, and then along those lines, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. So fingers right here, and then of course we have the thumb, which is in this case will start off from here somewhere. So let's do an oval first, like so, and then come right here. Okay, and then the index finger has to join with the thumb, and it'll be contorted really. We'll have it go like that somewhere. So we'll see how this works for us. And if you check out our other videos in which we feature hands, we usually go with we call them sausages. So you can put in sausages for the fingers. So 1, 2, and 3. Of course we will join them as we put the details around this skeletal structure. 1, 2, and 3. Of course there's taller, and then 1, 2, and 3. There's the tallest finger. And for the thumb we can do the same thing. So we need 1 and 2 in this case, and then for the index finger, which is in a pinch against this, 1, and then 2, and then 3 is pretty much here, 3. And then of course there's the rest of the hand. We'll make that a little less fleshy right here, and there we are. Now we'll put in the fingers right around this. So fingers mean that we will put in the details right around this to make this blend in better. So finger lines right there between the hands, and of course we will highlight everything in black as we go forward. So finger lines, going for the tallest finger there, and then some stretched skin right there, but then the fleshy thumb coming into view, going back like that. And of course we have the thumb lines here, and we'll see a hint of the nail right there compressed flesh right there. There's the other essential hand lines that'll be like curled up like that. Double lines right there. And then of course we have the pinched index finger highlighted by those skin folds going back like that, and perhaps a little bit of skin folds right there. Now one thing that we could do with this is, and we should actually highlight certain features, but we could have the fingers here if we want. It's slightly more life, means that slightly apart if we wish, and have the index finger placed like that. So it's a contorted expression, not an expression that we see every day, but it's good essential practice of the anatomy of the hand, and there's some perspective there, of course, as you see that the index finger is quite pinched. Right, so there's our quick exercise in drawing a contorted hand expression. So we're going to highlight, I guess, the primary, the initial sketch that we put down. So if you notice that we are putting in, like, some details around the joints, giving that just a little bit of room in between, like that. Those finger lines, and then doing the same for the tallest finger. There's our thumb, and we're doing this so that we can just see this a little better. It's a little less messy after we played around with different options there. And there we have it. So a contorted hand expression. We put out content every day, so please keep in touch, do subscribe. Thank you for watching, and have yourself a wonderful day.